Danny Hayasaka here with Call One Inc., helping people do their business better. And today we have the Yealink CP900, which is a premium, portable, USB, Bluetooth speakerphone for huddle rooms, personal use, and on the go. So let's take a look. All right, so let's open this guy up. You got the unit. You got this stuff here that I'm pretty sure I'll have to take a look at it later, but for right now, let's put that off to the side. And here is the speakerphone in the case. And what I like about this case, compared to some of the other speakerphone cases that are out there, this is a nice hard case. So you can throw this into your briefcase, into a suitcase, a backpack. So this is a really nice case actually. All right, so here's the actual CP900, and you can see in here in this little slot, you have the USB dongle. Let's get this guy out of there. So you have the case, you have the CP900, and you'll see it's got the nice cord management system. So you have the USB cable wrapped in there, and oh look at it. It's got the Teams button. So if you are transitioning over to Microsoft Teams, this CP900 will work with your Microsoft Teams platform. We're gonna listen to a song, so let's take a listen to the audio. Alright, let's increase the volume. It's got a nice bass. Let me see. Oh, look at the little light. Woo! That's loud. That is super cool. I like that. That's a nice little look on that. So there's a little bit of some music playing. So again, if you're in your hotel room, you're traveling about, and you have this, it's a great audio source for listening to music. So I have the Yealink set up. It's connected via USB. Again, you have the option to connect wirelessly via the USB dongle, or you can pair to your mobile device via Bluetooth. But right now we're connected via the USB cable, and we're using the Yealink, which has 6 beam-forming array microphones, 360-degree sort of sound. So there's multiple buttons on the Yealink CP900. You have your power on-off button. You have your mute button. You have your volume up, volume down button. You have your Bluetooth button. You have your answer button, your hang up button, and of course your Microsoft Teams button. Well, this actually has multiple functions. So like if we press it and it's paired to my mobile device, it'll activate Siri because I have an iPhone. It can do all those voice assistants by just tapping the little Microsoft Teams button. Okay, so the CP900 also has intelligent noise canceling feature. So if I start typing, Mariah, I don't know if you can hear it or not.
I hear it at the very beginning, but then as you keep typing, it goes away.